Hello out there in YouTube land. Yand. I'm gonna keep going. So, hello out there in YouTube land. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for being here. I appreciate you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Leave a comment below if you'd like to interact with this video or whatever you'd like to see me post. Let me know. Let's get started. Okay, so I'm not sure if you all are aware. Right now, currently, I'm a little slow on the candle content because, well, I'm still working on candles, but melts content because I'm in school right now and I work full time. I'm in school full time. I'm a full time parent. Really busy. So, unfortunately, that's gonna be a little lacking because my classes this semester are super hard, super hard. I'm going to study right after this video. But anyway, I digress. But I did want to get on here and make a video because I was a winner of another giveaway, and I want to share that with you all before I open the package. Now, I did take it out the box, but I haven't opened this package yet. So let's get into it. So, as you know, my company is Scented Legacy. My goal with that is to make scented items, not necessarily just candles or wax melt, but scented wax melts, but scented items. And so you all may not be aware, but maybe I'm letting you know something new. If you are aware, leave a comment below if you like this um, creator or not. Well, just if you do. Anyway, if you've heard of Yaya Creations, this is I entered a giveaway and I won a package. I happened to be out of town when it came, but since I've been in town, I've been go because of school, like I stated. But I want to take this opportunity to open it because I really want to see what's inside and try the products. But I wanted to do it on my channel. So let's get into it. The box. So I took it out the box, but I haven't opened this box. So you are going to open it with me. Let's see. Oh, okay. I like it already. Let's see, packaged nicely. So Yaya Creations, she makes body care products. Oh, that's so nice. I like that. An organza bag with little mints, I believe. It says thank you. Can you guys see that? That's nice. And one of those little spoons. I've been wanting one of those. That's super cool. It says, oh, hold on. Because I don't want y'all to see my address, but I do want y'all to see Yaya Creations. Y'all can see that. So she has a thank you card in here. Thank you, hydrate, seal, protect. Handmade, natural, authentic shea. I think shea butter. One of her products that she makes here. And then again, this is her. This was my giveaway. And a surprise is in here. So cool. It says, congratulations. Here's an extra gift. Yeah. Awesome. Okay. Let's see what's inside. I like that. So this is what I won. This right here. Y'all can see that. Let's open it. I believe it was peppermint. It's a peppermint cream. I can't remember now. Oh, I can smell it through the jar. That's so pretty though. Oh my gosh, can you guys see that? Yeah, I think you can. There you go. I can smell it through here, and this tin is so pretty. So let's try it out. It's full. Oh, it smells so pepperminty. Can you see? Let's try it on. It's so smooth. Oh, it melts right into it. Oh, it melts. And literally, as soon as it touches your skin. Let's see. Yeah, see that? This is my hand. It starts to melt right away and smooth. Can you guys see that? Look at that sheen. Oh, it smells so good. That's nice. Oh, that's what I got. The shave butter. I'm gonna have to look that up to see how to pronounce that. It smells so good. Okay, we're gonna open the next one. It's pumpkin pie body butter. Okay, open this one. Packaged really nicely. Very well protected. I'm gonna have to get these. Oh, this jar is nice too. It looks frosted. It says whipped pumpkin pie body butter. Yaya Creations. Whew. So she has a YouTube channel. So I'll see if I can link it. Oh, that smells so good. Can you guys see that? Let's see if I do it this way. There you go. A little better. I don't like pumpkin for real, but oh, it's whipped, and so it's like a whipping, it's like whipped cream. Oh my goodness! And the way that it just starts to melt and glide. Whoa, that is nice. Ooh. Oh, I'm so happy I won. Oh my gosh. It smells so good. And it's so creamy. I love this jar. Oh, it smells so good. So, the whipped pumpkin pie body butter. And again, this was the pumpkin. I'm sorry, the peppermint. I want to say body butter. And that is all. Very cool. That was exciting. That was really, really exciting. So I will have to put her. Wow. I have to put her description. I'm sorry. I have to put a link to her channel in the description box, so that if anyone is interested, they can definitely take a look. Oh, very intimate. Also, how have you guys been? I'm gonna try to do some content. Oh, I love these mints. Bitter mint. Mmm. This is so good. I'm so sorry. So that was a little rude of me to put the mint in my mouth while I'm talking. I'm so sorry. And I'm gonna remove my glasses. I keep forgetting about the glare. Maybe I should reorganize my table so there's not a problem, because I do need my glasses. Not tremendously, but enough. The little spoon that came with it. That's so cool. I can scoop it in here or scoop it out of here. Super cool. But again, Yaya Creations. It's actually Yaya DIY Creations. I want to say, yeah, Yaya DIY Creations. But again, I will put a link to her channel in the description box. So if anyone is interested, if you want to check out her channel or check out her channel, check out her products, or also subscribe to her channel, that'd be great, very great. We all out here just trying to work and make a living out this YouTube thing. So I was considering making some. What was I gonna make? Ooh, Wow, I'm getting old. I was considering making some linen spray, and if I'm able to do that, I'm gonna try to record that and give you guys some content for that. But yeah, it's just really really hard right now with me trying to go to school. Like I said, I just have a lot going on. But anytime I get a few minutes to make some type of video to y'all without just talking, I'm gonna try with some type of product involved. I'm definitely gonna try to do that. But again, if there's anything that you'd like to see, just comment below, let me know, and I will do my very best to give you that content. I'm also considering possibly doing some information classes or maybe even a class on like wax melts. Again, let me know if any of you are interested in that in the comments below, and I will do my best to bring you that content. But at this time, I think I'm going to end it here. I hope you all are doing well. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Again, anything that you want to see, comment below. Any comments you have, questions, or even concerns, um, comment below. I thank you all for watching. Have a good day, and I will see you guys next time.